I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic key battery, updated. Press the small release tab, slide out the emergency key, use a coin to pry open the fob seam, swap the old battery for a new CR 2032, ensure the plus side faces up, reseat the cover, and test the remote functions before reattaching the key. If the remote still fails, replace both battery and check the buttons for corrosion, then repeat the test. Start by holding the fob firmly and locating the small release tab, then slide out the metal emergency key before prying open the plastic case. With the case open, lift the battery straight out to prevent contact damage and clean any visible debris with a dry cloth. Place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation, press the case halves together until you hear a click, and test locking and unlocking immediately after. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: I keep bento box leak-proof containers nearby for small screws and parts while I work on keys. They save cleanup time and frustration. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you want more garage hacks, let me know. Now let's get back to the video. If replacing the battery does not restore function, inspect the metal contacts for corrosion and gently clean them with isopropyl alcohol or a pencil eraser. Try a different new CR 2032 to rule out a bad cell, and test the fob within a few feet of the car to eliminate range confusion. For persistent problems, consult a dealer or locksmith for reprogramming or deeper diagnostics after ruling out simple battery and contact faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.